Oh yeah, I just want to hear it. Okay, go on. Improv.
Hello, Catherine. You may not know me, but I know you. I've been staring at you a lot lately. I see you walking around the neighborhood, even though you've been calling in sick to school. I know what it's like to be sick. I don't think you do. Tonight you have to make a choice. There's a poison in your blood. You know, the type of poison that kills rats. What's that called? Oh yeah, rat poison. There's a dead body next to you in the room. His name is Tom. He runs MySpace. If you can figure out his password, you will find the antidote. But if you don't, you will die a painful death, and then I'll molest your body. You have 30 seconds. Go!